Hello everyone. Let's talk about product development. There are two important aspects when it comes to developing a product which needs to be addressed. One, the behavior of the product, and two, the quality of the product. These two aspects are not separate but go hand in hand. We need to know if we are building the right product and whether we are building the product right. If we are not creating the right product and do not pay attention to the quality, then it's a lost cause. Even if we pay great attention to quality but not to building the right product, we will have to do a lot of rework. In case we build the right product but pay no attention to the quality, then we will have a lot of technical debt to deal with. What we should really be focusing on is how to build the right product and build it right. But how do we know if we are building the right product and building it the right way? The answer is to know your acceptance criteria and definition of done. So, what is this acceptance criteria and definition of done anyways? Let's say I am building a TV remote. When can I say I have built it? What characteristics should it have? Well, it should be able to switch on and off the TV. It can change the TV channels. It can increase or decrease the volume. It should have a numbered keypad so that I can jump to my favorite channel. This is your acceptance criteria. If this is met, we know we have built a TV remote and it does what it is supposed to do. But is this enough to release the TV remote to the end user? No. As developers, we also need to ensure that the product is tested for buttons are operational, buttons are fixed properly, the IR emitter is working, a slot for batteries is available, it does not overheat while in use, the firmware is unit tested, system integration testing is done, remote is working with specified models of TV, compliance and regulatory documentation is completed, a user manual is created, release notes are created, labeling and packaging is done. This typically is your definition of done. In summary, acceptance criteria is something that the product should do and defines the behavior. It usually applies to one specific function or feature of the product. It is mostly the user's perspective. While the definition of done is a common shared understanding about when to say a product or its increment can be released to production. It applies generally to all the features or functionalities of the product. This is the development perspective about quality of the product.